simple instruction. So you put the, sorry. Ayan, you put the link, di ba? Yung Canvas enroll. Ngayon, you will be brought here, enroll. So you put your email. Ito, don't forget this. You will make use of this email again and again. My case is RJ. And then, dito, I am a new user kayo. Of course, I am already a user. So, I am a new user kayo. And then, you put your name. Okay. And then, I agree. Tapos, I'm not a robot. Tapos, you enroll in the course. Tapos, you will receive, nakaka-receive po kayo ng message from instructor. Instructor. So, Canvas kasi ito eh. Canvas instructor. Ito yung instructor. Okay. So, dun kayo makaka-receive ng message. And then, you are being added to this accounting for non-accountants with NC Ayun po, yun lang yung gagawin nyo. And then, don't forget the email plus the password. Yung iba kasi, ano nangyayari, every time sila pumapasok, bumabalik sila dito, mali po yun. O di syempre, nanggaling na kayo dito, no? Nakapag-enroll na sa course, tapos naka-receive na kayo ng email, kinlik na yung email. Next time po, pupunta na kayo sa canvas.instructure. Ayan, no? .instructure.com. Ayan, no? So, ito yung second time. Wala na muna to. Ayan, ha? So, ayan. Papasok na kayo dyan. Tapos, you will now, ito kasi ito yung aking email with the password. And then you just log in. Okay? So, ganun na po yun. Yung password na ginamit nyo, that will be the same login that you will use. Hindi na yung babalik pa ulit dun sa enroll. Kasi nakapag-enroll, once nyo lang gagawin yung enroll, and then you'll go in. And then you will log in, you will see all the courses available for you. So, in our case, of course, hindi pa pala to. Ayan. So, this is a different account. But yeah, so ito palabas wala pa siyang courses. But this is another account that we are building. Ayan po, no? So, ganyan po So, again, yung link is just for you to create the account. And then afterwards, you will receive an email. And then click the email. Tapos, next time you log in, you make use of this. You make use of your account that you already made. Right? Thank you very much.